Get ready to slash your tax prep time and save money with this insider guide to TurboTax from Costco. First, let's find that tax magic. Head over to Costco.com and type TurboTax into the search bar. You'll see different TurboTax versions available. Look for the one that best suits your tax situation, whether you have simple returns or more complex ones. Here's where the Costco perk shines. You'll often find exclusive discounts on TurboTax products, making it a smart choice for your wallet. Carefully review the product description to confirm the specific edition and its features. Once you've purchased, keep an eye on your email. Costco will send you a confirmation with either a download link or an activation code. This is your key to unlocking the TurboTax software. If you received a download link, click it to start the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts, which are straightforward and user-friendly. If you have an activation code, you'll enter this during the initial setup of the TurboTax program. Now, let's dive into TurboTax. The interface is designed to guide you. Start by entering your personal information and then move through sections like income, deductions, and credits. TurboTax uses a question and answer format, making it accessible for everyone. Simply answer the questions honestly and accurately, and TurboTax will do the heavy lifting of calculating your taxes. As you progress, you'll see helpful progress indicators or checklists, letting you know which areas you've completed and what's still to come. The software will automatically calculate your refund or the amount you owe, providing a clear summary of your tax return before you file. Finally, TurboTax from Costco makes e-filing a breeze. Follow the prompts to securely file your federal and state returns directly from the software. And there you have it. You've successfully used TurboTax through your Costco membership to prepare and file your taxes efficiently and affordably.